Get away from the wall. You might bounce back. Okay, I'm gonna fall over before I even hit you.
Let her to me. Ready? Go.
Let her.
I'm so up. I'm
Sam,
so
beat her. Jump on her. Back in time.
Wait! Ready?
My body pillows are going to the other side.
Your rolls are falling over.
They're going to the back side.
It's tough.
It's all gone to my gut.
Bend my.
I just slipped. Wait. Hold on, my zipper's falling down.
Just don't seem fair.
Yeah, get up fast.
Oh, hello there, Sarah.
Hey.
Oh, Sarah. Oh.
I think I'm asthmatic or something.
I feel my apple juice. Hold me up.
You help each other back up.
Look at she's not letting go. Wait.